You are carrying us, hello Evelyn. In today's video, we are talking about exclusive breastfeeding. Many of us have been hearing about exclusive breastfeeding. So I just want to highlight a little about exclusive breastfeeding. Exclusive breastfeeding in the sense that the first 6 months, an infant is allowed to suck that breast without giving water or infant formula. It has great benefits. Number one, it creates bonding between the mother and the baby. It's quite economical. Just eat and breastfeed baby. It is always at the normal temperature. You don't need to warm it. You can equally express and put in the freezer or in the fridge. That is the one you can warm in case you are going out of your house for some time for the baby. Water is not being given. It is quite economical. Breastfeeding acts like an antibiotics. It has antibodies that will sustain this baby for the few months of life. If you are just breastfeeding your baby, see that you don't need to be afraid of baby is having diarrhea or baby is having one sickness or the other, except whereby you're exposing your baby to mosquito, that the baby may have fever. You see that this baby will pass stool normally without constipation. But when you give baby formula, you see that the baby will strain, and in most cases, the baby will just pass through. That is like pussycat physics. So when you breastfeed your baby, the baby can pass through as much as between 7-8 times in a day. It is not abnormal. It is normal because it is easily digestible. So for our grandmothers, our mother-in-laws that will come and insist, this is the way I train your baby, or this is the way I train you. It is no longer like that. Allow them to practice what they have been taught in the clinic. Most of you will insist you are bathing the baby, you are giving water, and you are insisting, yes, this is the way. It is no longer the way. Allow them to do what they have been taught. Breastfeeding, the people that did research and said, before maternity leave was 3 months, now it's 4 months, and before you know it, now they will still increase it. And we are praying they will be able to increase it to see that 6 months that is exclusive, because you see that some workers, they're unable to meet up when they want to start work. So please, let's try. It is equally beneficial for, avoiding pregnancy, because that's what we call lactational amenorrhea. When you're breastfeeding non-stop, it will now, the level of prolactin that is being produced in your body will now inhibit pregnancy, and you cannot just get pregnant easily like that. So it is quite beneficial. Let's just try to see that our babies are being breastfed. That's first 6 months, after which you can now wean your baby and you will be happy. Your baby will gain normal weight, because the infant formula makes them to get excess fat that is not needed for them. But with breastfeeding, they gain their normal weight. You will see them chubby, looking so fine and sweet. Their skin is so shiny. So it is quite beneficial. And during this breastfeeding time, husbands should please support their wives, because breastfeeding needs good diet. It needs good emotional, psychological balance. If you're not balanced, you see that the person may go out of her way behaving abnormally. And some people that have tendency to uh, have issues like hypertension and others, it can easily come. But let husbands and everyone around give them that support so that they will have excellent breastfeeding period, and you will equally be happy, your husband, everybody around you. If this video is beneficial to you, please, I want you to like and share and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.